Hi, this is Vince at American Suspension. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our ride height adjusters, or as they're commonly referred to, preload adjusters. They're very simple. They just screw into the end of your fork tube, and then you take an Allen wrench, and when you screw in the Allen wrench, it makes a screw turn, and this increases or reduces the preload on your fork spring. So we've had these around for a long time. We've always used them on or at least made them available on our inverted forks. Now we're making this product available for stock Harley forks. So check them out. One of the big advantages they have too is instead of being short little stubby things, they can add 3.5 inches of height to your bike, which if you're trying to do a performance bike, there's nothing like making it taller to give you more ground clearance. So these are a great addition, small thing, one of the many features that you can get by setting up a performance bike with American Suspension.